Hello, my name is Matthew O'Brien. I'm a senior consultant with our Experts as a Service team here at Analysis Prime. And in this video, we'll be taking a look at the new vertical filter experience with this latest QRC update. So here we're within a story and edit mode, and we want to add a story filter. So we have our filter button here to expose the filter bar. We'll go ahead and just add in a filter for the date. And as you can see here, it places it as we're used to today within the filter bar that runs horizontally. We now have the option to view our filters vertically. So also with this update, you'll see there is now a left side panel and a right side panel. The right side panel is just our typical builder and styling panel that we're used to. The left side panel now provides us assets we can drag and drop onto our story, onto our canvas. And we also have an outline of the various widgets on our page. From here, if we want to view our filters vertically, all we need to do is locate the pin to side icon, click it, and now we have another tab on our left side panel for filters, and they will all apply here. And to apply the filter, all we need to do is click on it, make our selections, and then return back to our main filter. And every story filter that will be applied will be listed in this panel. If we decide that we prefer to see it in the horizontal manner that has been customary within SAC, all we need to do is go down to the bottom here to where it says pin to top, and we can go ahead and put it back into the top. If we do that, we still have access to our left side panel. We just don't see our filters in that panel. Also worth noting, if we are pinned to the side within our left side panel, and we go ahead and save it into that default state, when we go into view mode, the users will now see the filters on the left side in the vertical state. Now also as users, they do have the option to pin to the top as they're used to. They just won't be able to save it in this state. So it'll always open with the filters vertical if it is decided that's how we want to save the state, but it does give the flexibility for the users to choose how they view the story once it's launched. That is everything for this vertical filter experience update. Keep an eye out for more great QRC update videos from Analysis Prime.